This is my 27-inch 4K monitor from LG. It's rocking a 3840 by 2160 resolution screen that supports 60Hz refresh rate and 5 millisecond response time. This monitor also supports HDR10. It pumps out a peak brightness of 400 nits and it delivers 98% sRGB color gamut, and that makes it a great display for not just watching movies but also for editing pictures and videos. The 178-degree wide viewing angle is an added bonus because it allows you to view this monitor at skewed angles. I have mounted my monitor on my desk using a full motion swivel monitor arm, but you can also use the included tilt height adjustable stand if you don't want to use a monitor arm. Although I will highly recommend that you use a monitor arm with this monitor because it will freeze up so much space on your desk and it's totally worth the price of getting an extra arm. Now, I mostly use this monitor for productivity work. I love how sharp everything looks on this monitor. So whether I'm reading or editing a Word document, or whether I'm crunching numbers on Excel sheet, or I'm just browsing the web, everything looks crystal clear on this monitor. Honestly, after using this monitor for a month, I cannot go back to my lower resolution monitors. Regarding gaming performance, this monitor supports AMD Radeon FreeSync technology and it has a dedicated game mode for first-person shooter games. But please note that this monitor only supports 60Hz refresh rate. So if you want higher refresh rate, I would suggest getting a 144Hz or a 160Hz gaming monitor. You get a bunch of HDMI and DisplayPort at the back of this monitor, so connectivity is not going to be an issue. Now both the HDMI and the DisplayPort are using the latest industry standard protocols, so you will have no issues connecting your latest gaming consoles and video cards to this monitor. Overall, I highly recommend this monitor to anyone who is looking for a high quality monitor for productivity work as well as casual work and web surfing and watching videos and streaming videos.